Two bills related to One Nation, One Election have been referred to a joint committee of the Parliament consisting of 27 members from Lok Sabha and 12 members from Rajya Sabha. The Pentagon has said the defense relationship between India and United States is accelerating and advancing in terrific and exciting ways. On the foundation day of Sashastra Seema Bal, SSB, Union Home Minister Amit Shah today paid tribute to all the immortal martyrs of the force. Finance Minister Sitharaman to hold pre-budget consultations with various state finance ministers. Delhi Police lodges FIR against Congress leader Rahul Gandhi for injuring two BJP MPs.